It arrived with zero warning. No orbit, just a straight shot through the heart of our solar system at insane speed. By the time we saw it, it was already screaming past Earth. This wasn't a normal rock. July 1st, 2025. The Atlas telescopes in Chile trigger an automated alarm. Something new just breached our neighborhood. They named it 3I/ATLAS. The I stands for Interstellar. It means it's not from here. It's only the third visitor in human history after Oumuamua and Borisov. But this one is different. Mainstream science immediately called it a comet, a dirty snowball from another star. But as it got closer, the data started looking wrong. Very wrong. Why was it glowing that specific color? And why was it moving like something was driving it? Harvard astrophysicists started asking the question NASA didn't want to. Is it artificial? Buckle up, because the story of 3I Atlas is either a massive coincidence or the biggest cover-up in history. When it first appeared, NASA's trajectory models showed a hyperbolic path. It was a one-way ticket. It was moving too fast to be captured by the sun's gravity. It was just passing through. The standard explanation: it's an ancient chunk of ice, ejected from a dying star system billions of years ago. As it heated up near our sun, it started outgassing, venting ice into space. This venting acts like a natural rocket thruster. That's why it sped up. Perfectly natural. Case closed. But then, the James Webb Space Telescope took a closer look at that gas. The spectral analysis was bizarre. It showed cyanogen, cyanide gas, glowing blue. And underneath the ice, the radar pinged off something dense, something metallic. Comets are usually fluffy dust bunnies. 3I Atlas looked more like a refined titanium alloy. Then came the anti-tail. This is where the physics gets really strange. Normal comet tails point away from the sun. Solar wind blows them back. 3I/ATLAS had a jet pointing towards the sun, like it was braking. Nature doesn't usually build thrusters that fight solar gravity, but intelligent civilizations do. The skeptics said it was an optical illusion, a trick of perspective. But the acceleration data didn't lie. It was maneuvering. October 2025. The object makes its closest approach to Mars. This was our best chance to see it. It passed within a few million miles, a hair's breadth in cosmic terms. Every rover and orbiter at Mars turned its cameras skyward. The images that came back were unsettling. It wasn't a fuzzy snowball anymore. From the surface of Jezero crater, it looked like a sleek, defined smudge. Too symmetrical. NASA AI enhanced the images. The shape that emerged gave engineers chills. It didn't tumble randomly like a rock. It seemed stabilized, oriented. While near Mars, the cyanide outgassing stopped completely. It went dark. Why turn off your engines during a close flyby? Unless you're scanning something. It loitered near Mars for 48 hours longer than gravity models predicted. Did it drop something off? Or did it pick something up? Then, just as quickly as it arrived, it hit the accelerator again. It used Mars for a gravity assist, slinging itself back out into the dark. The official report called the Mars data inconclusive due to sensor noise. Sensor noise doesn't usually look like perfectly symmetrical metallic disks. Some leaked internal memos suggested panic at the highest levels of space agencies. They weren't prepared for an object that behaved with intent. Avi Loeb's team suggested it might be a defunct probe, waking up on solar power. Others think it was fully operational. A scout. Whatever it was, its mission in the inner solar system was complete. Right now, December 2025, it's passing Jupiter. It's already almost gone. We pointed our biggest radio ears at it. The Green Bank telescope listened for weeks. We listened for pings, beeps, encrypted data patterns, anything. The result? Absolute terrifying silence. If it was a ship, they didn't want to talk to us. Or maybe they scanned Earth, saw our chaotic radio broadcasts, and decided we weren't intelligent enough to bother making contact with. That silence is almost scarier than an invasion. It means we are insignificant. Just scenery along a galactic highway. It will take it 10,000 years to reach the Oort cloud, the edge of our system. And then it will drift for millions of years between the stars. A silent time capsule of whoever or whatever built it. We will never catch it. Our fastest ships aren't even close to its speed. We missed our chance. The encounter is over. But 3I/ATLAS left us with a haunting new reality. We now know for a fact that interstellar traffic is real. Things are passing through here. Was it just a weird rock, or was it a probe that phoned home? And if it did phone home, who is on the other end of that line? And when will they send the next one? I want to know your theory down in the comments. Team Comet or Team Alien? If you want to stay updated on the search for the next visitor, hit that subscribe button. We are tracking the skies every single night. Thanks to my Patreon supporters for helping fund these deep dives. Keep looking up. You never know what's looking back.
Cosmic reveries to decode the mysteries of existence.